PCOS means polycystic ovary syndrome. It's a hormonal disorder causing enlarged ovaries with small cysts on the outer edges. It's the most common among women 18 to 44 ages. Some of the beneficial yoga asanas are Padhasta Asana. This asana is commonly known as forward bend asana. Stand on the floor in an upright position with your hands at your sides. There should be no gap between both the feet. And then lift your hand upward toward the sky. Then slowly bend forward to the ground. Your forehead should come in contact with your knees. Then hold this position for 10 to 15 seconds. And take 5 to 10 breaths. Then relax slowly and come in normal standing position. Ardha Chakrasana. Stand straight and take a comfortable gap between both feet. Now hold your hips with your hand and bend backward without bending knees. Hold this position for a few seconds and breathe 10 times. Then relax and come back to normal position. Bharadwajasana. Sit on the floor with your back erect and your legs stretched out in front of you. Place your arm beside your body, close to your hips. Bend your knees and bring them close to your left hip, such that the right buttock carry the weight of the body. Rest the inner side of your left ankle on the arc of your right thigh. Inhale and stretch your spine, extending it as much as you possibly can. Exhale and twist the upper trunk as much as you can. Place your right hand on the floor and your left hand on the right outer thigh. Slightly bend the upper part of the back and twist around your backbone, such that you feel the effort from the lower back to the tip of the head. Keep lengthening your spine as you intensify your twist every time you exhale. Dhanurasana. Lie on your stomach with your feet hip width apart and your arms by the side of your body. Fold your knees, take your hands backward and hold your ankles. Breathing in, lift your chest off the ground and pull your legs up and backward. Look straight ahead with a smile on your face. Keep the pose stable while paying attention to your breath. Your body is now curved and taut as a bow. Continue to take long deep breath as you relax in this pose, but bend only as far as your body permits you. Do not overdo the stretch. After 15 to 20 seconds, as you exhale, gently bring your legs and chest to the ground. Relax the ankle and relax. Butterfly Asana. Sit with your spine erect and legs spread straight out. Now bend your knees and bring your feet toward the pelvis. The sole of your feet should touch each other. Grab your feet tightly with your hands. Take a deep breath in. Breathing out, press the thighs and knees downward toward the floor. Keep breathing normally throughout. Relax and come to the normal position. Paschimottanasana. Sit on the ground straight with your legs together in front of you. Keep your head straight. Now bend your head forward to hold the toes of your feet. Your elbow should touch the ground while holding the toes. Try to touch your knees with your head. Take 10 breaths in this position. Now relax and come back to starting position. Bhujangasana. Lie flat on your stomach. Place your hands on the side and ensure that your toes touch each other. Then move your hands to the front, making sure that they are at the shoulder level, and place your palms on the floor. Now placing your body's weight on your palm, inhale and raise your head and trunk. Your arm should be bent at your elbow at this stage. You need to arch your neck backward in an attempt to replicate the snake with raised hood. But make sure your shoulders blade are firm and your shoulders are away from your ears. Press your hips, thighs and feet to the floor. Hold this position for about 15 to 30 seconds while breathing normally. Feel your stomach pressed against the floor. Then slowly release the pose. Bringing your hands back to the side, rest your head on the ground by bringing your forehead in contact with the floor.